Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to help you if Siri is not working. I'm going to walk you through a few different steps that you can get your Siri working again. If you're saying, hey Siri, or you're double tapping the power button and Siri is just not working, it's not pulling up, then I'll walk you through some steps to get Siri working. The very first thing that we'll check, and it's a really common issue, is we'll just open up Safari here. You can use Google Chrome as well. And we'll just type in speed test here and run a speed test. Now, if you don't have any internet connection, then potentially your iPhone can't connect to Siri. There's kind of an issue connecting through the network there. However, if it's more than 5-10 megabytes per second, then you have fast enough internet to be able to have Siri working and responding and going back and forth with you. Now, the second thing that I'll have you do is to open up settings here, and then we'll just scroll down to general and then software update. You want to make sure that you have the latest version of your iOS. Currently it's iOS 15.4. Make sure you update the latest version, because sometimes Siri gets updates with all of these various iOS updates and versions. So you want to make sure you get the latest version, because potentially if you have an older version of iOS, Siri could be kind of bugging out and not working correctly. Now, once you've gone through both of those steps, the next thing that you can do is to hit on Siri and search here. Now, we'll go through these. The very first two, listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. So what you should do is potentially toggle both of these off and then toggle them back on to enable Siri. And then you can scroll down and you can see all of these options to be able to have Siri show up in lookup, in spotlight, allow notifications, all these different things to have Siri work within those apps or within that functionality as well. You can go down here and you can choose all these various different apps, Facebook, and you can say, I want Siri to learn from this app and all that stuff. So make sure all of these are turned on if you want them to be turned on for Siri to work. Now, the last thing that you can do is potentially, if you're saying, hey Siri, and there's an issue with this Hey Siri, but you can press the side buttons, and that does work with Siri, is potentially your iPhone is connected to, say, some external speaker or headphones or something, so that your phone itself, the microphone in it, is not listening for Hey Siri. So what you can do is get out of here, and then you can go to Bluetooth here and just check to see if anything is connected, and you might just want to toggle Bluetooth off. So once you toggle it off, you know that your microphone is not connected to, say, your AirPods, right next to you or in the table next to you, and that's the reason why it's not hearing you when you say, hey Siri. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.